Hi, today we are going to calculate this integral, definite integral, using this formula. So we have integral from -2 to -1, all these functions. And first of all, we need to rewrite the denominator of our function. Let's do it. Our numerator will be the same, and here we will write x squared multiplied by x minus 1 dx. Then we need to present this fraction like a sum of other fractions. Let's do it. X plus 1 divided by x squared, x minus 1 will be equal to a, it's a number, divided by x, plus b, also a number, divided by x squared, plus c, also a number, divided by x minus 1. Here we have power 2, so we need to add a fraction with x with power 1 and also with power 2. So now we have sum of 3 fractions, and we know that this sum gives us this one. So let's calculate, let's find our a, b, and c. First part I will just rewrite, and then what we should do. If we have here denominator x squared divided by x minus 1, what should we multiply here? We should multiply our a by x and also by x minus 1, because here we have only x. Our b, to obtain in denominator this line, we have multiply by x minus 1 only, and our c we have to multiply by x squared. So let's do it and write a multiplied by x squared minus a multiplied by x and 1, I want to write it here, plus b multiplied by x minus b plus c multiplied by x squared. So we can see that our denominators are the same, so we can figure that our numerators should be the same too, because here we have equality. So that means that our x plus 1 should be equal to a plus c, let's write it like this, and x squared here, then plus x multiplied by minus a plus b, and plus what? Minus b. So it's only for convenience. So let's see. Here we have no x squared. That means that actually x squared should be multiplied by 0. Well, our a plus c should be 0. Then we have x. And we can see that here we have actually 1 multiplied by x. So it means that minus a plus b equals to 1. And here we have 1. It means that minus b equals to 1. Well, from here we obtain, I'll go here, obtain a system a plus c equals to 0, minus a plus b gives us 1, and minus b is equal to 1. So it's a system. So if minus b is equal to 1, we can write that b is actually minus 1. If we know that b is equal to minus 1, we can obtain our a. From here, minus a minus 1, b minus 1 gives us 1. So minus a gives us 2. And from here, a, we obtain that a equals 2 minus 2. So we have a, and now we can obtain from first line c. C equals to minus a, it gives us c equals to 2. So now we have a, b, and c. So we can rewrite this sum, and here, here, and here will be numbers. So let's do it. X plus 1 divided by x squared, x minus 1 equals to a divided by x minus 2 divided by x, then b divided by x squared, minus 1 divided by x squared, then c divided by x minus 1 plus 2 divided by x minus 1. So we can see that this fraction is the sum of this one, and this one. So our initial integral, this one, we can now rewrite like a sum of 3 integrals, or I can write it in one integral and then split during calculations. So minus 1 integral from minus 1 to from minus 2 to minus 1, I'm sorry, of minus 2 divided by x, 1 divided by x squared plus 2 divided by x minus 1 dx. I can rewrite it like integral minus 2 minus 1, then minus 2 go here, dx divided by x minus 2 minus 1 dx divided by x squared, or actually it would be better here, x to the power minus 2 dx. It will be just a little bit simpler, and then plus 2 integral dx divided by x minus 1. Actually, I can put minus 1 here too, it changed nothing. So, and now, so we can calculate these integrals. We will obtain minus 2 logarithm of absolute value of x. It's important that it is absolute value, because when we will use this formula, we can see that logarithm, if we miss this absolute value and write only x, we will obtain logarithm of negative value, which is impossible. So it's important. Then minus. Here we need to plus 1. So it will be x to the power minus 1. So our x goes down, and we need to divide our line into minus 1. So it gives us plus here, and here will be 1, then plus 2 logarithm of, again, absolute value of x minus 1. And of course, this integral is definite. We have minus 2 and minus 1, and we need to write it here. And now, in this step, we should look here. Now we are here. So what we should do now? We should first of all take minus 1 and put it here, here, and here. Then write minus, take -2 and do the same. And calculate the result. It should be, of course, number. Well, let's use this formula and do it. Our b is -1, so first of all, -2 logarithm of absolute value of -1 gives us logarithm of 1. We know that logarithm of 1 gives us 0. Perfect. Then here we should put -1. Plus and minus gives us minus. 1 divided by 1 gives us 1. Then +2. Here will be logarithm of absolute value of, let's see, -1, -1, -2. Absolute value of -2 gives us 2. It will be logarithm of 2. Okay, we did this part. Then we should put minus, and then -2 we need to put here, here, and here. So let's do it. Minus, well, minus here, well, okay. -2 logarithm of what? Absolute value of -2 gives us 2. Then plus and minus gives us minus. 1 divided by 2. And then we have plus 2 logarithm of absolute value. -2 minus 1 gives us -3. And we have here absolute value, so here we have 3. So it's a number. And now we should do it a little bit more nice. So -1. Here we have minus +2 logarithm of 2. Minus and minus gives us plus, and it will be +2 logarithm 2. It gives us +4 logarithm of 2. Then minus and minus gives us plus 1 divided by 2 and minus 2 logarithm of 3. Okay. Let's see, -1 plus 1 divided by 2 gives us -1 divided by 2. And we can rewrite these logarithms like this. Plus logarithm. We can use properties of logarithms. Logarithm of 2 to the power of 4 minus logarithm of 3 to the power of 2. So it gives us, first of all, -1 divided by 2. Then it gives us plus 2 to the power of 4 gives us 16. So it will be logarithm of 16. And then minus logarithm of 9. And our final result we can write like this: -1 divided by 2 plus logarithm of 16 divided by 9. So this is our final result, and it's a number, of course.